Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify privacy settings UX in privacy dashboard step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the privacy dashboard of the application or website you are testing. Look for the section labeled privacy settings or something similar. Review the layout of this section to ensure it is visually clear and logically organized. Identify the different categories of privacy settings available to the user. Check if these categories are intuitive and easily navigable. Select one of the categories to explore its specific settings. Verify that the options presented are relevant to user privacy. Take note of any default settings provided. Assess whether these defaults prioritize user privacy or if they require adjustment. Now, attempt to change a setting within this category. Record the steps required to make this change. Evaluate how easy it is to understand the implications of changing this setting. Observe any prompts or notifications that appear during this process. Continue by navigating back to the main privacy settings. Choose another category and repeat the assessment process. Consider the availability of help documentation or tooltips for each setting. Test the responsiveness of the interface when adjusting settings. Ensure the changes made are saved successfully without errors. Log out and log back in to confirm if your changes were retained. Check if there is a visual indication of current settings, such as active toggles or highlighted options. Conduct a usability test with a sample user to gather feedback on their experience. Analyze the feedback for any pain points or areas for improvement. Summarize your findings and make recommendations for any necessary changes. Prepare a report that highlights both strengths and weaknesses of the current privacy settings UX. Present your conclusions to relevant stakeholders for further discussion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.